Welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today we have a quick shower repair. Alright, so this stuff is, well, this is partly metal, but this is just a rubber plastic hose and it's supposed to be in like this, but it's broke off. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. So I got one here I'm going to open up in just a second. We're going to go ahead and replace the whole hose mechanism, and I'm not sure what's in the package here, if we're going to be replacing this whole thing or not, but we'll find out once they open it up. So this one came highly rated on Amazon. I'll put a link for it. It was only 20 bucks. It's got a 72-inch hose, and it's got like 2,500 reviews, and it's 4.5 stars. So I figured that many people, I can't go too wrong. Well, I don't know if it's a long Yomi or Yumi, but I'd say it's Yomi. There it is, all packaged up. And yeah, we will, well, we might not replace all that. If all that's the same size, there's no sense bothering because that's all fine. But we will save this, so if that ever goes bad up there, we have a spare. So we'll set that aside. That will save me having to re-Teflon tape this connection. I can just unscrew this hose right here, remove this hose, and put the new one on. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just assemble this thing first. You got your shower head hose. There shouldn't be too many parts to this. This is a metal hose too, so I think it's better than one that was on here. You gotta be careful when you open it up. You got some rubber gaskets here. You want to make sure they look like they're zip tied on there. Just gonna want to undo these gaskets back here in the box so you don't lose them. One of them will go right in here like that. And both ends are the same, so it doesn't matter. So we're gonna go ahead and put that back in there, and then we're going to just screw it onto the shower head. You don't want to use a wrench or anything on this because this is plastic, I can tell that. Just grab it, make it good and snug without overdoing it. And now I'm going to set this aside for a minute, and we're going to go up here and take this other one off. So just like I said, we're going to keep this in place, assuming the other one fits in here. If it don't, we'll replace it. We'll find out in a minute. First, let's just go ahead and remove this old hose off here. Get this out of the way. Yeah, fits in there perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So I just went and got the other gasket that I had set aside. We're going to put it in this end here. Make sure everything's all clean up here since you got it open. And we're going to go ahead and put this one on. Now this new hose is metal and this old piece is plastic, so again, you don't want to over tighten it, but you want it good and snug. And I will say this hose is much longer than the other one, which is good. And there you have it. For the most part, it's in position. This thing has a couple different settings and the price is great, but it should give you a nice good spray even if you do have low water pressure. We're going to go ahead and turn it on here so you can see it in just a minute. But let me get out of the shower because I don't want to get it all wet. All right, we're going to go ahead and turn this on and see what we got. The hose is to fill water. There's nothing wrong with that. We got a few different settings. Let's see here. Screen. Oh, that's really... Got some pretty good pressure. That's it. So you get those three. That's high pressure, medium, and then I guess that's more medium. I like that one there myself. Well, there you have it. All right. So again, this is not a complicated task. Pretty simple. You can do yourself. Just changing a shower head unit with the hose, and that's all there is to it. So hopefully you find this video helpful. If not, maybe you're entertained by my lack of plumbing skills. Have a great day.